This is giving me very much celebration, very much confetti vibes.
Cook good and look good.
What's up? It's your girl Queemites Jones, the Backlight in the Flesh, and I'm teaching you how to make Southern Kimchi, a quality dish for salads, barbecues, a rice, and anything else nice that you want to have a garnish, a palate cleanser with, okay? Or if you're trying to cut that fat, you know, like they say, so you have some ribs, thanks mom. You have some ribs, this would be a great side to put just to cleanse that tongue, get that little fat coat off. You feel me? So currently right now we have the whole family up in here. We got some egg rolls being made up in the back. So as you hear the grease crackling, you know what's happening. All right, so we have chiffonade collard greens, which means that these are rolled up tight. And then they are ribboned once you cut them. The major thing about this chiffonade cut is that we devein the collard greens, which allows you to have just straight up yummy collard green and not that unflavored vein. All right, so we have here some yellow and red bell pepper. We're gonna throw this whole 2 yellow and red bell pepper in here. Okay. Then we have here some Queemites drip. Now you can go to my Southern style greens video to see an alternative you can use when you don't have no Queemites drip, which is sad, and I pray for you. Anyway, so we're gonna put a whole about tablespoon of Queemites drip up in there. All right. Then we're gonna put a little more than 1/4 of a cup of apple cider vinegar, which is going to crank up the flavors up in here to a exponential notch. You want to make sure you stir until everything looks like it's a beautiful parquet. Okay. You want to get all the seasoning, all the greens, all the bell pepper in that lovely apple cider vinegar and Queemites drip. Highly recommend you use the alternative or your favorite POC owned seasoning, and you just keep on going until everything is up in here. Now it is kind of a highlight, you know, this definitely gets the eyes on the dish. Okay, y'all. So you get that rice up in there, right? Then you get your Southern Kimchi. So a Southern Kimchi is a good transition piece to kimchi for people who are always talking about how harsh kimchi is on their palate. This is a great way for you to start diversifying yourself while getting a bit of fresh, viable, tasty health. Greens are known for their calcium, their vitamin A, and iron. Bell pepper has high levels of vitamin C. This is just a good palate cleanser. I can definitely see this because it's cold outside right now. I'm thinking about summer, right? With some ribs, some potato salad, and some corn on the cob. This would be a heartthrob at a barbecue, yo. It's your girl Queen Jones. Bye!